Time now for Restoring the Soul of Healthcare from the Help Care Clinic in Austin.
It is that time, our monthly get-together with our friends from the Help Care Clinic. And we check in this morning with Lee Acey and Dr. David Strobel. Gentlemen, good morning to you.
Good morning, John. Good to hear from you.
Yeah, I'm glad to be here. It's a special day for us.
It is a special day, and maybe we'll start right there. Kind of fill folks in on why today is special.
Well, the reason today is so special is because it was 2 years ago today that we first opened our doors in Austin. And we weren't seeing patients yet. The first patient didn't come for a couple more days, but we opened our doors for the first time. And just looking back at what we've seen happen since then, we just kind of are slack-jawed and amazed at just all the things that God provided for us.
It really has been an incredible journey, and just to see to see what has happened in this 2 years is really, like you said, it's amazing, and it's a journey I don't think anyone could have predicted at the time. Certainly, it's what you hoped, but it's been amazing.
It's been a great blessing to see what God has been doing with this practice.
Yeah, I mean, when we think back to then, we didn't have any nurses the first day. We didn't, we were using a mobile hotspot for our internet access, and Dr. Dave was still working 4 days a week with the Pipe Trades Clinic, and we didn't have any of our lab equipment or the dispensary. I mean, we're just very bare bones and didn't even have all the bones, I don't think. But it was pretty. It was neat to see that there were so many people right at the beginning who believed in this and believed in us and said, this is something that we'd like to see happen and grow. And they were really the ones that helped make it possible, because if they hadn't joined at the time that they did, we wouldn't have been able to grow like we did and be able to have the services that we have now.
And it's been amazing to watch how the momentum has built and continues to roll right along here as we celebrate the second anniversary.
Absolutely. The momentum has been impressive, and at times it's been fast enough that, it was a little bit scary. But as we've said before, God's providence and the timing has been very essential, and He has basically grown the practice just little by little, and it keeps on going. So we're just trusting in what He's doing.
And the pace has been, as Dr. Dave said, it's been steady and sometimes having some nice spurts, but those have also been matched by, getting Stephanie Kimmis, our nurse practitioner, Elizabeth Hedlund, our physician assistant, being able to add nursing staff as we needed them. It's just been just really sort of astonishing how things have just lined up in the right way, and kind of beyond what we certainly could have done for ourselves.